Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my video, please subscribe to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming to my channel. God bless you all. So today I'm going to be decorating another cake. So with these videos I will just show a bit of details. So I've already covered, you can see I've already covered the cake with chocolate. This is actually chocolate ganache, so I've covered it. So now I'm going to cover it again with orange. So the outside is going to be orange, so that's why it's not that smooth. So I didn't want to smooth it because I know I'm still going to put on. I said orange. No, is it orange? Yeah, orange. Yeah, am I using orange? Yeah, I'm going to put orange outside with the orange. I'm going to mix the color before coming back and get everything ready. Everything is already ready, but just the chocolate. I'll bring the chocolate. Yeah guys, so that's the orange. That's my orange ganache. So guys, I'm going to put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes and bring it out back. So I'll see you guys soon. Hello guys, I'm done with this cake. I'm done with the cake. There's something I used that I didn't really like for the cake, so I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So this is my first time using it. It's not that it's bad, but I didn't like the way it came out. I didn't, you know, the dripping that I did, it's on the screen, and the dripping I did. So I actually used this. I don't know if you can see it. It's PM. I saw it. It's my first time of using it. I saw it. I said, let me try it and see, for me to like stress doing my chocolate, my ganache chocolate myself, then start dripping it and all stuff. So I just let me just buy this, which I didn't like the way it came out. Maybe I don't know how to use it because it's my first time. You just open the mouth there, just start dripping it, but it didn't come out. So what happened is, I think, I don't know, I'm going to explain this. It started having a little bit of thickness. Some part was liquid and some part was thick. It will come out liquid and thick, liquid, thick, liquid, thick. So that's why the dripping is actually like that. I didn't really like it, so I don't know. You guys should tell me what you think about this, or maybe I don't know how to use it. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys, thank you for your support, thank you for always coming to my channel. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.